This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Ralph Martinez. Be the first owner of this fantastic newly built open floor plan located in beautiful Sun City Center. As you pull into the house, you will notice the ample space on this oversized lot, plenty of room for parking for all your vehicles. You'll appreciate the crown molding in the entrance hallway as we enter the home. Additional features are luxury vinyl flooring installed throughout the entire home. No carpet whatsoever. The main bedroom is located conveniently in the front of the house, away from the other bedrooms. The main bathroom boasts a fantastic tile shower featuring glass doors, granite countertops, and his and hers undermount sinks. Oh, and don't forget the spacious walk-in closet. You will appreciate the openness as you make your way into the great room and kitchen and more crown molding. Your new fantastic kitchen features wonderful upgrades and includes beautiful granite countertops, brand new Samsung stainless appliances, deep undermount single bowl stainless steel sink, ample storage space and cabinetry, a spacious pantry, solid wood cabinetry, subway tile backsplash. There is another full bathroom in the hallway of the 3 other bedrooms featuring a ceramic tile tub/shower, granite countertop, and natural lighting through the window. Have we mentioned the construction of this home? This home is built with ICF. Houses constructed with this material require an estimated 32% less energy to cool and 44% less energy to heat than a typical block or wood constructed home. That's money in the bank. At the rear of the home, you will find an ample-sized porch area waiting for your barbecue grill and lounge chairs. The community of Sun City Center features over 200 clubs and activities, golf and many other sports, 6,000 square feet fitness center, indoor and outdoor pools, theater and the arts. A golf cart is the second mode of transportation for shopping, appointments and playing. This home is conveniently located within a 5-minute drive to marinas, shopping, restaurants, parks and more. You are close driving distance to all the Gulf beaches, McDill AFB, shopping malls, and amenities of Tampa Bay. Please don't wait on this home. Homes like this are a needle.